out these amazing visuals! Crystal clear and vibrant image that match 4K TV quality. The Gigabyte Aero has been leading the way for content creators since 2016. For 2 years running, the Aero has been honored with the Red Dot Product Design Award. The consistent design quality paired with an extraordinary 4K visual experience, offering high performance powered by 11th Gen Intel Core Edge series processor and GeForce RTX 30 series. This is Joanna from Gigabyte. Join me as I walk you through the next generation of the Aero series. Let's start with the Aero 15 OLED. Equipped with the Samsung AMOLED 4K display, you get all 15 inches to work with due to the ultra-thin bezels and amazing 4K UHD resolution and 440 nits brightness on the display. The Aero 15 OLED gives clear and richer color under all severe light conditions. So even in direct sunlight on the screen, creators get glare-free workspace, making OLED the obvious choice over LCD. OLED display over intense, vibrant, and crystal clear displays. By using organic per pixel illumination, OLED displays offer amazing color displays, which includes true white and true black, ensuring color accuracy and stability. OLED displays support creators' need for vivid, intense, bright, and balanced contrast to ensure crisp, powerful visuals. Aero 15 OLED offers the most stunning visual display, making visuals true to life. The latest OLED creator laptop comes with the award-winning sleek aesthetic, supporting a full aluminum CNC chassis with exquisite pattern printed on the cover. Get in the creative zone using the Aero 15 OLED for a lag-free, stutter-free, no-compromise experience. All the power and speed you need with the 11th Gen Intel Core Edge series processor and GeForce RTX 30 series laptop graphics. The new Aero series offers both 15 and 17-inch models. Thin, light, with a 99 watts battery supporting creators for up to 8 hours unplugged for on-the-go creativity. We're proud to see the outstanding work created on the Aero series. No details is overlooked from aesthetic to security. The Aero series is a thoughtfully designed laptop. From the large Windows Precision touchpad offering smooth input to the built-in fingerprint sensor for Windows Hello, you begin your creative journey with a single tap. We understand creators need an easy, on-the-eyes experience with so much screen time. That's why we designed the Aero to have 3mm 3-side bezels and a maximum screen-to-body ratio. Aero 15 OLED is equipped with a 4K OLED glossy panel with 100% DCI-P3 equals to 125%, sRGB equals to 94%, NTSC white color gamut. The contrast ratio reaches 1 million to 1 out performance. The commonly seen LCD, which only has 1000 to 1 contrast ratio. That's why the Aero gives exact color and brightness on every visual. Seeing is believing. OLED panel present intricate texture and many details like no other displays. Plus, the 4K OLED emits 70% less blue light than LCDs, making the OLED easier on the eye for long-term use. Aero 17 HDR comes with the 4K HDR anti-glare panel, calibrated with Adobe RGB 100%, equals to 125%, sRGB equals to 94%, NTSC white color gamut, and conform to the VISA Display 400 standard. Fine details and colors are assured. 4K HDR screens offer a high degree of contrast compared to Full HD screens offering a brighter visual experience using the same brightness settings. This solves the grayish issue users have on LCD, making for a much better experience streaming and editing. Plus, each and every Aero model is calibrated and certified X-Right before it leaves the factory, and features Delta E +1, ensuring color accuracy right out of the box, with no need to hand calibrate the display. This year, the Aero series is Pantone validated, which means accurate simulation of Pantone colors on color-corrected display. The Aero laptop series are the only laptops in the world with dual color certification, offering the best workspace for creators. Other OLED laptops sacrifice performance to make bottom line, decreasing output and slowing down workflow. The Aero 15 OLED maintains thin and light portability, while offering high performance with the Intel Edge series 45 watts processor and the RTX 30 laptop GPUs and the power supply designed above 90 watts. You get more speed, more power, and longer battery life. Transfer file up to 8 times faster of up to 40 gigabits with integrated Intel Thunderbolt port support up to 4K video output, accelerating production of your work. Thanks to GeForce RTX 30 series laptop graphic cards, the Aero series renders quicker, broadcasts clear, and make editing video a breeze with the powerful performance. The Aero laptop uses special cooling technology to keep your laptop cool even with the thin and light design. Unlike other laptops, the Aero is designed with two 71 blades fan, 5 heat pipes, and Cooper heat fins, increasing overall heat dissipation by 30%. Adjustable fan modes help you maintain temperature control to ensure the Aero stays calm and steady even under heaviest lifting workflow, multitasking, or hardcore gaming. Dongle-free working is achieved with the Aero's high-speed SD card reader, reading 12 times faster than the traditional SD card reader, plus the LAN port gives you internet latency-free break time. More ports means more production. The Aero comes with mini display, HDMI 2.1, and Thunderbolt 4, letting you enjoy dual-screen dongle-free. The Aero comes with two M.2 SSD slots for storage. One of the two slots supports with a Gen 4 SSD storage, supporting the most efficient transmission. My favorite part of Aero is the RGB keyboard, containing 16 million RGB colors backlighting and key rollover and per key macro function. This full-size keyboard with number pad makes work easy and fun. Create custom hotkey and RGB effects to match your moods and environment. Plus, it's super easy to turn off the keyboard lights through the Gigabyte Control Center. Award-winning design, high performance, thin and light with unmatched display quality makes Aero the must-have creator laptop. Designed with Creative Pro in mind, the Aero series is the first choice for creators. Aero is recommended by top industry pro and gets rave reviews by the media. Aero, creativity starts here. Turn your inspiration into reality, anywhere, anytime, at home, or on the go. This is Joanna. Thank you for watching.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.